Etihad Airways has expanded its fleets with new aircraft to meet the growing demands in the travel sector. Joining us now is Antonoaldo Neves, Etihad Airways CEO. Good morning to you, Antonoaldo. Really good to have you with us on the show. Look, I'm going to start with the question that everybody is probably going to be asking you, but we're very curious to hear. What is the timing of the IPO? Because there had been speculation it was going to happen last month. Can you bring us up to speed?
Well, Joumanna, thanks for having us. We're really honored to be here. It's been speculations, over the past 3 months, right? And we take that as a credit. Etihad has made a major turnaround process. We have improved a lot, not only on the service side and the customer service side, but also on the financial side. The airline today has a good balance sheet, a good profitability. So we take those speculations as actually compliments to us. Etihad is ready to go to the public markets whenever the shareholder decides to do so. But reality is we don't need cash now. So, let's see if and when the decision comes. And when it comes, we're going to be ready. But we don't comment on timeline speculation because in reality, the airline is doing very well.
Yeah, okay. Let's move on. So you put out a press release yesterday showing that you're investing more into premium cabins. The goal is to deliver, and this is a quote, wide-body comfort on short and medium-haul routes. You're investing more in luxury. Why are you investing more in luxury? Are you seeing more demand out of first-class and business-class travelers?
We have seen, definitely. It's been a market that we are paying special attention. That segment of premium customers, especially in first class and business class, is, I would say, in a peak. We've observing cabin occupations, load factors that are above 80% in business, above 70% in first class. So we decided to bring the luxury of the wide body to the narrow body. So we are the first airline introducing a first class suite, starting from the experience at the airport, right, until you get your bags in a narrow body. So our 321 long range is going to have a lie-flat business class suite, a lie-flat business class seat, and also a lie-flat first class suite, as you can see in the images right now. We're very excited about that with a lot of privacy and a lot of additions to our customer that chooses first.
Yeah. I want to ask you about your retrofit program because that requires many spare parts and seats. And I wonder how the imposition of tariffs could impede your ability to get access to those spare parts. What are you thinking about the effect that tariffs are going to have on your own retrofitting program?
We're monitoring that. As of now, we technically don't see any significant or relevant impact. We are in a region that is not facing, right, the challenges that other regions are facing in terms of, I would say, uncertainty in respect to tariffs. So as of now, for us, it's good to go.
Yeah. Let me ask you about your fleet. What orders are you looking to make this year?
We have a 2030 plan that is aimed at doubling the fleet size as opposed to what we had in 2022. So we're going to be today we're about 100 planes. So we're going to be reaching about 160 to 170 planes by 2030 in the next 5 years. So in 2022, we had about 85 planes, so doubling in 8 years. All these planes are already committed, so we don't have any, I would say, relevant incremental fleet need until 2030. But we're actively engaging with OEMs and also with SORs to make sure that in a 10-year horizon, we bring in more planes to Etihad. And when is the right time to announce those? We'll be announcing. But as of now, we're locked in until 2030 with a very good fleet plan.
Can I ask you about the Boeing 777Xs, the planes that are yet to be certified, when you can expect delivery of those planes if you have an outstanding order?
We don't expect to get any 777Xs until 2030. So as of now, it's not part of our medium-term plan. I mean, we're going to be paying a lot of attention to the developments of the certification of this plane, which is an important plane, right, for the long run. But as of now, we don't have any intention to fly this plane, and we don't need it for the next 5 years.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. On the wide bodies, what are you looking to? What are you considering adding to your fleet? Other airlines have told me that they're looking to make orders in the next couple of months. Can we expect something similar out of Etihad?
I mean, Etihad is ordering planes. I would say almost every month, right? We keep adding to the fleet. We're not in the order announcing business. I mean, our business is to sell tickets. So what we like to do is to announce new destinations. This year we have announced at 16 new destinations. I mean, since 23, we have added more than 70 planes to the fleet, 70 new planes, without making any big announcement. I mean, we're here to announce new destinations, I mean, new product, new seats. I mean, it's for the manufacturers to be announcing how many planes they sell, not for us.
Yeah. Okay. So then final question to wrap up vis-a-vis destinations. How are you seeing passenger travel demand this year? And also, I'm curious to see whether there has been any hit to people wanting to travel into and out of the United States because of President Trump's policies.
Joumanna, demand is very strong, very, very strong. I mean, last week we had a couple of days with 92% load factor. This is too high, actually. Because every time you go that high, you're spilling demand, right? So we're blessed to be in a region that demand is strong. I mean, Abu Dhabi as a tourist destination is booming. We just, I mean, saw the numbers that are picking up for April, May, and demand is doing very strong. We have a benefit because our network is not concentrated in any market. So when you have a dollar that is weakening, right, this is more opportunity for Europeans to come to the Middle East. This is also more opportunities for people from India to go to the US. So I can guarantee you as of now, I mean, based on the network we have, right, we haven't seen any slowdown. We understand in other regions, I mean, especially domestic, there's some slowdown, but in our case, we're keeping our objectives for the year.